welcome. In this video, we're going to see how we can register a Manifold NFT collection inside Crossmint's Developer Console. In order for us to do this, as a prerequisite, we need to deploy a contract on the mainnet using Manifold and then set up a claim page for our Manifold collection. This is what your claim page on Manifold would look like. Also note that your contract needs to be deployed on a mainnet in order for us to be able to set up a claim page for our Manifold collection. Once all this is successfully completed, we then head over to Crossmint's console. And since our contract is on the mainnet, we need to ensure that we're on the Crossmint's production console that you see right here on your screen. As we do not have any pre-existing collection set up, we click on New Collection that you see right here. It will prompt you to enter your collection information. Let me give the collection name as Ninja NFT and let me select any sample image that I have right here. This will take a few seconds to be uploaded. Once the upload is successfully completed, you'll see that the next button will be enabled, and there you go. So you click on next, and this will then give you two options, either if you want to create a new contract using Crossmint, or if you want to import an existing one. And we import an existing contract since our contract has already been deployed using Manifold. We select this and hit next. And since our contract is on the base mainnet, we select base and select our contract provider as Manifold and click next. The contract that we deployed was Manifold ERC721 claim, so we select that and then copy paste our token contract address and click next. This will give you a small confirmation page to make sure that everything looks good before you proceed. And if everything is correct, we then click on Register Collection. And there you go, you have your collections page on Crossmint. However, you need to verify that you're the project's owner, and you also need to verify your collection. You need to complete both of these verification process in order to proceed. So let me skip through the wait time and show you how we will proceed after the verification is completed. So now you can see that the project verification and collection verification have been completed. So now we need to head over to our claim page on Manifold. And now when you head over to the claim page, you'll see an option here that says Advanced. When you click on that, you'll see an option that says Enable Credit Card Payments. Please click on the checkbox here. Once you do that, you'll see that it asks for our Crossmint collection ID. In order for us to get the collection ID, we need to head back to the Crossmint collection page. And you can find the collection ID right here on the top right corner. Please copy that and head over to the claim page on Manifold once again. And now I delete this and I paste my collection ID and I click on Save. And now you see that it says rules updated and our collection ID has also been verified. So now we click on Open Claim Page button that you see right here. And this is what our final claim page would look like. Now, in order for us to see if the credit card option has been enabled or not, we need to click on Buy Now. So there you go. You see the option that says Pay with Card, and now we can understand that our feature testing is completed. So now we click on Pay with Card and give it a few seconds to load and fetch information. And once it's ready, you need to enter your email ID and the rest of your card details. You can also enter your Ethereum address if you want to receive the NFT directly to your wallet address. And then once you fill out all these information, you need to click on Pay, and the NFT will be successfully minted using Crossmint's Pay with Credit Card feature. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us on Discord. The URL for our Discord server is discord.gg/Crossmint. Thank you once again.